look at that, brother. I have two big keyboards here. My beautiful Predator keyboard and my HP Pavilion gaming keyboard. Ha! I'm ready for the comparison between the both, brother. Are you ready? Are you ready? Bro, I'm ready. This is amazing and expensive video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Okay? Beautiful. Now, look at that. Look at all of this. Look at all of this. Wow, there's amazing and expensive things in this beautiful amazing temple. Look at that, brother. Look at very, very well. Jesus is Lord. Hallelujah. I bought this keyboard today and I'm ready to compare this with my old HP keyboard. Bro, this is unbelievable. Okay. There are so much effect here, but let me turn. Okay, let me choose amazing effect. Some amazing effects. Like what? Okay. What? No. I want something new. Now I want. No. As you can see, I can change. Okay. Look at what I have choose this effect. I choose this effect because of this keyboard. Look at that. Can you see this? Okay. Now look at that. Wow, it's so different. It's very, very different. Look at that. We border the size. And look at here, the size. Because it's in two. Okay, this is amazing. Here I have sweet blue, blue switch. I don't know how you can do this, but let me remove. Okay, as you can see, this is switch blue. Okay, and this is red switch. Okay, switch blue again, red switch. Listen. Ooh, so great. And it's working. Look at very well. Okay, now I have blue switch. Ooh, look at that. Now listen. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this is my phone, and when I click, I can watch, and it's working. Now look at. Okay, this is switch blue switch. Okay, now red switch. Listen, the noise is so different. Listen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you like? 1, 2, 3. Bro, I like definitely this keyboard. Definitely. I love. Okay, now I have macro keyboard. Oh, look at what you can see here. With one press of a key, you have all of this. Cool. And to do that, you need to turn off FN and this keyboard to change everything. Look at amazing effect. Not bad. And Look at. Let's press. Okay, you can make this off or something. I think that this is another mode. Ooh, another mode. Okay, let me turn off the lights to see very well. Okay, look at that. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. Wow, this is not a joke. Look at the very well, this brand new keyboard. Okay, nice. Look at also this keyboard, my old HP keyboard. Nice. Space. Listen the song. Space here. This thing makes so much noises. Look at, listen. I love this. Beautiful. Now press. Ooh, another color. Okay. Another one. Not bad. Let's change. Okay, look at. Okay, I think my video previews. Okay. Blue switch blue. Nice. So much effects. Okay, you can change this on and change everything. Okay, and what I love about this, I love this. When you press this button, this key, the lock key, it make on the light. It makes off. This is off, on the light. To see if you have magic scroll or something. This is cool. Look at. As you can see here. Okay. Oh, it's off. Look at, it's off. On, off. Wow, this is cool. And this is to increase the volume. Let's see. Look at my phone. It's increased very well the volume. Decrease. Look at. So great. So nice. Do you believe this is not a joke? And look at that. Woo! Magnetic keyboard. Jesus is Lord. Okay, let me change everything. Ooh, what are you doing? Wow. Can you see this? Ooh, look at that. Okay. There are also so much effects here. Cool. Nice. Great. Okay, what do you like? What's the best effect for you? What is the best effect? Yeah. For you, brother. Magnetic keyboard. You can do this. Nice. You can remove, and I love this. Okay. Nice. Woo, look at, select everything here. Delete. Ooh, you can watch everything. Not bad. I love. Look at that. Ctrl plus A. Look at Ctrl plus A. You cannot select everything. Look at, it's not working. But with this keyboard, you can do Ctrl plus A and hold every text here. Do you believe this? Wow, this is complete. I think that this is complete. This is another experience for me. What is the best keyboard here for you? This is my brand new keyboard and I love it. Look at different size. Okay, let me put this thing here. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Great, walking. And let's put this thing here. Sharp key. Nice. Listen. I love. And look at that. Major key. This is useful. Major key. No, let's see here. Nothing. And what? As you can see here, this small key is light. They are light on this. Every small key here. You can see arrow bars, they are light into. But here, the problem here is that they are not light on the letter on there. No light, only here in this. Look at, no light here. As you can see, also here, no light on this symbol, no light on this symbol, only on 9, on A, but no light on this symbol here. This is total different with a light here. Wow, I love, and wow, you have, okay, so different than this. Listen, and if you want something like that, you need to press FN create pass this the buff key to have what? Okay, nice. Can you see this is working definitely? As you can see, this is what I have here. Okay, this key directly here. I don't need to click on FN to have something like that. As you can see, nothing here, and great. The buff are so much make it metal. This is plastic, brother. But this is very solid plastic. Not bad. Okay, now we are good. What do you think, brother? You can use this without this magic thing. Okay, now you have your beautiful cable. You can put this here, but it's not easy to do this. What can I do? Look at under. Nice. Okay, let me do something better. Look at that. Beautiful. Wow, I love this. Look at that. Wonderful. What? I love this. Damn. Beautiful. Now put this like that. Ooh, so beautiful. Okay, let me put this here. Beautiful. Not bad. Look at under. Wait. No, look at under. Okay, it's the same thing. Nice. And when you see it, you can see, you can. Woo! What are you doing? And you can also put the cable here. The difference is so great. Change the zone. 3 zone. 1, 2, 3. I I love. Okay. This is my brand new keyboard, brother. I want to use this for my iMac, and I want to use this cable for my Asus Workstation G Windows computer. Okay, as you can see, this is more largest fan. This keyboard. Let's see. Look at the buff. Look at the difference. Look at the buff, brother. This keyboard look like now like a baby. Like a baby. Do you believe this? It look like a baby. A baby. Seriously? Jesus is Lord. Wow. This is so different. It's so different. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Okay. Now you can enjoy your new keyboard. Enjoy your new keyboard. Wow. I love. Okay, not bad. Okay, great. Now let's go for the next video. I will make the unboxing of my brand new gaming mouse for you. Okay, beautiful, nice. Thank you for watching. I have my keyboard here. No, my keyboard here. Bye bye, bro. Bye bye, bro. Bye bye, brother. Damn. Big. Wow, very big. Very big. Ha. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Predator is here for you. Okay. This is what I'm talking about. Okay. Nice. Beautiful.